You think you know Superman's strength? You've seen him stop trains, lift buildings, maybe even push a planet or two. But what if I told you he did something so ridiculously powerful it makes all that look like a light warm-up? Get ready, because we're diving into one of the most insane strength feats in all of comic book history. Superman didn't just lift the weight of the Earth. He benched it for 5 days straight with no sunlight. Yes, you heard that right. In the iconic comic series New 52, Superman. There's a storyline where Superman enters a machine created by a scientist named Dr. Quintum. This machine was designed to test the absolute limits of his power. The starting weight? 5.972 sextillion tons. That's the exact mass of our planet Earth. Most heroes will be crushed instantly. But for Superman, this was just the beginning. For 5 consecutive days, he lay there, bench pressing the equivalent of an entire world. Day 1, he's just getting started. Day 2, he's still going strong. Day 3, something incredible happens. He starts to sweat. And here's the kicker. Because he's inside this sealed chamber, completely cut off from the sun, his primary power source, he's actually getting weaker with every single rep. He's not just lifting this impossible weight. He's doing it on a rapidly depleting battery. After 5 grueling days, he emerges from the chamber. He hasn't eaten, he hasn't slept, and he hasn't absorbed a single ray of sunlight. The scientists are in awe. They note that he only managed to produce a single drop of sweat. Think about that. The effort it would take for you or me to lift a heavy dumbbell and how much we sweat, versus Superman benching a planet for 5 days on an empty tank and only producing 1 drop. It's a testament to his Kryptonian physiology and his unbreakable will. Now, let's put this into perspective. This feat is so off the charts, it almost breaks the power scaling conversation. When we talk about strong characters, names like the Hulk, Thor, and Goku always come up. The Hulk's strength is famously limitless, growing with his rage. He once held a planet together and punched through dimensions. Thor has lifted the Midgard serpent, a creature said to be as heavy as the Earth itself. And Goku, in his Super Saiyan forms, has shaken entire universes with his power. But benching the Earth's weight continuously for days, while actively being depowered, that's a very specific and quantifiable feat that is just staggering. It's not a momentary burst of rage or a magical enchantment. It's raw, sustained, physical power under the worst possible conditions. This isn't just about lifting something heavy. It's about endurance beyond comprehension. This feat from the New 52 era solidified Superman's place at the very top of the powerhouse pyramid. It's why he's called the Man of Steel. It's not just about the S on his chest. It's about the sheer, indomitable force he represents. He's the benchmark, the gold standard against which all other heroes are measured. What's even crazier is that this isn't even his only planet-level feat. In other stories, he's moved the Magadan War World, which was many times the size of Jupiter, and even pulled the Earth away from the sun with Green Lantern. But the 5-day bench press stands out because of its context, the controlled environment, the lack of solar energy, and the sheer audacity of the act itself. So, the next time you get into a debate about who the strongest character is, don't forget this little piece of evidence. While others might have moments of incredible power, Superman demonstrated sustained, impossible strength under conditions that would have vaporized anyone else. He didn't just move a planet. He put it on a barbell and did a 5-day workout. What do you think is the most impressive feat of strength in fiction? Let me know down in the comments below. Is it this? Or does another hero take the crown? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into superhero lore, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one.